welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can convert a PDF to a JPEG in mobile. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So in order to do this, you need to open up your browser. And after you open up your browser, you want to search for file converter. Now once you search for file converter, the second option where it says freeconvert.com, you want to click on it. Now if you don't see this option, you can always search for freeconvert.com and it's going to directly take you to this web page. You can see the URL at the bottom. You can pause the video to type it in your browser and it's going to bring you to this website. Over here, click on choose file. Once you click on choose file, click on versus from device. Once you click on from device, the third option versus choose file, click on it and choose your PDF. So this is my PDF where it says 60 best chicken proper. I will click on it and I will click on done. Once I do that, my file is going to be uploaded. So right now it's going to be converted to PDF, but I don't want to convert a PDF into PDF. So right now over here where it says PDF, I will click on it and go on this option called image. I will click on image and choose JPEG because that's what I want to convert it into. And I will click on convert. Once I do that, it's going to take a bit of time because my PDF is going to be uploaded over here. And once the uploading is complete, it's going to convert it just like this. And once this converting is finished, it's going to show me this download button at the bottom. I can click on the download and I can download the JPG. But that's basically how you guys can convert a PDF to JPG on your mobile phone, uploading your PDF and converting it into JPEG. So it's ready to be downloaded. I can click on download to download it just like this. So I can click on download and it's going to be downloaded and saved on my phone. So that's how you guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.